These are 10 signs you are not ready for a relationship, but nobody wants to tell you. 1. You love attention, but hate commitment. You love being adored, but when it's time for you to make it serious, you bail. 2. You want relationship perks without the work. You expect loyalty, love, and effort, but only when it's easy and convenient for you. 3. You think a relationship will fix you. If you need someone else to make you feel complete, you are not ready for a relationship. 4. You blame every ex. If you have never taken responsibility for a breakup, it's time to look at the pattern. 5. You mistake love for entertainment. If you need constant excitement to keep your attention, relationships are not a never-ending roller coaster. 6. You get bored fast. If you can't handle stability or put in effort, you will keep chasing fleeting eyes and never build anything lasting. 7. You are still stalking your ex. If they are still haunting your thoughts, you are not emotionally ready for someone new. 8. You dodge odd conversations. If conflict sends you running, you are not equipped for the kind of deep connection love requires. 9. You expect perfection. If you think that love should come without effort or flaws, you are about to be disappointed. 10. You don't even know what you want. If you can't figure out your own needs, how can anyone else meet them?